because these are only very short ones. See, chronic effects of hypocapnia means there is depression of respiratory centers which are situated in brainstem, the pons and medulla oblongata. The apneustic and pneumotaxic centers, they get depressed in the absence of carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide is not there, there is no trigger for the centers to get activated, so that there will be no inspiratory ramp and the rate and depth of respiration will increase. Okay, that means carbon dioxide is so important to continue the mechanism of normal breathing. Okay, what is hypoxia, beta? Low oxygen concentration in the blood is called as hypoxia. What are the various types we have? Anemic hypoxia, histotoxic hypoxia, then stagnant hypoxia. What is anemic? Hypoxic hypoxia, four types. Anemic means anemic hypoxia in the sense there is no proper hemoglobin or RBC concentration in the blood, so that the amount of oxygen transported to the tissue also will go down due to the absence of hemoglobin or RBC. That is anemic hypoxia. Histotoxic hypoxia in the sense hemoglobin is normal, oxygen available in the atmosphere is also correct, but tissues are diseased. There may be some necrosis or some underlying disease in the tissues, because of which the tissues are unable to take oxygen. That's what is histotoxic hypoxia. Okay, then we have hypoxic hypoxia in the sense in the atmosphere the oxygen concentration is low, because of which the tissues are receiving low oxygen concentration. Okay, stagnant hypoxia in the sense there is like circulation of the blood is sluggish. It's not very not normally fast as it should be, because of which the oxygen transported to the tissue is also reduced. So these are the various types of hypoxias, beta. Okay, jugular venous pulse tracing, there is a graph for this, beta, phlebogram, which you have to just refer. I will take you to that answer. Okay, jugular venous pulse. Anyhow, all these questions will come for 5 marks also. Then we will discuss much in detail. Don't worry. Okay. 627. Hypoxia, sometimes it comes as essay question also. We have discussed as essay also in my previous lectures. Yes, beta, this one, 627. Yes, no, I saw that. Necrotic wave and all will be there. Yes, this is jugular venous pulse tracing is the question. Okay, that means we are recording the jugular vein. Here inside the carotid sheath, we have jugular vein, and because it is very close to common carotid artery, the pulsations from the common carotid artery are transmitted to jugular vein because they are side by side. Okay, you can record the pulse inside the jugular vein. That's what is called as phlebogram. Okay, it is something like similar to atrial pressure curve changes, what we have studied with cardiac cycle. ACVXX1Y, if you remember there, similar type of waves we will get in case of jugular venous pulse tracing. A is representing atrial systole, X is representing atrial diastole and ventricular systole. C, isometric contraction, X is ejection, and V is isometric relaxation, and Y is rapid and slow filling. We have studied intra-atrial pressure curve changes much in detail. Same graph and same underlying causes you can give. Okay, beta. So that is all about today's